Hello guys, and welcome to my Let's Play of Evil Within. Now this is the game that was made from the original developers of Resident Evil. So you're gonna have the same feel that you had back when they first made the game. So we're about to get started, and let's do it. Let's play survival.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Deacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
A call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still,
Interesting.
gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised. Some problem reaching out on the Deacon Memorial.
Is there any...
God damn it! Jesus!
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
What do you make of it?
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
Alright, I guess it's time to play.
Smells like blood.
All right, stay sharp. We're gonna check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
I can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Okay, looks like a massacre. Good. Good.
Did you hear something?
I did play this game for a little bit, but then I stopped. So I'm totally gonna finish it now.
Someone alive in here.
Someone alive? Alright, let's go. Whoa. Wait, is this the nurse?
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real.
Yeah, I think I got into the part, like, in the town.
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
That's super speed. He's a mutant. Yeah. Yeah. This scene kind of reminds me of the opening of Tomb Raider, the new one. Hello. I guess we gotta swing. We'll reach for that knife. Try to get that heat. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. What? Oh shit. That I was way out.
Where's the exit?
Old note from the sewer. Beside the locked gate at the far end of the sewer, there is a ladder which would take you to the old ward. If you could make it through there, you would find an elevator leading outside. You would be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. R. Interesting. Who's R? Is that him? Is that supposed to be him? Of course. Alright. Alright, let's see here. What's in here? Alright. 1300 STEM system operation test begin. 1350 success. 15 confirmation brain resynchronization versus minimal. Continuing experiment. Agent collects the data. 1330 anomaly occurs not with the subject. The stenographer claimed they weren't feeling well and they fell into a coma for a reason unknown. Doctor orders the STEM system terminated. 1345 staff began complaining of nausea and falling unconscious one after another. Those who can still move plan their escape from the hospital, but for unknown reasons are unable to. Though the STEM system should have been deactivated, subjects maintain brainwave synchronization with the host. 1400, that man appeared. So I'm guessing that's a Super Saiyan dude. Or the mutant, the Nightcrawler dude. I don't know what to call him. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hide, hide, hide. Oh shit. I completely forgot this game. It's been so long since the last time I played it. Now they updated everything. when I first played this, they had the letterbox settings, which I really hated. But now they really fixed it up. Looks nice. Oh shit! Stay right there. I actually never played this on survive mode. Don't look back.
Can't let him see me.
Sure. That way you break it. Snap, let's go. Time to bounce out of here. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, snap. Let's go. I'm dead. Oh, that wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Ay. Ashley died. He's a lot harder now than he was before.
Can't let him see me.
How did I escape this guy before? Yeah, just like that. Oh yeah, you gotta be careful. There's like bottles in here. Oh shit! Did he see me again? Nope. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Find myself within darkness twisting me around. There is nothing I can do. This world doesn't spin. It just turns.
I really like the opening of this game.
And around, the night chokes tight in the noose.
I can walk. Well, alright guys, that's the first video on in this series of Let's Play. So yeah, I'll be posting another video again tomorrow. So it's getting really late here. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. So you guys have a good night and enjoy.